Hey guys, Kurt here with Nihilo Concepts, here to show you our newest tool, the Fuel Transfer Kit. Now this kit is going to be ideal for getting any fuel out of your gas tank that you need to, whether it's you guys are just changing fuels, you got oxygenated fuel in there that you need to get out, or if the bike's going to be sitting, this is going to be a great tool to get it out of there. It's super easy. Come on, I'm going to show you how to install it. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to hook up our alligator clips and the plug that hooks onto the fuel pump here. I like to do this first because I don't want to drain the fuel out while there could be a possible spark while we're hooking up our alligator clips. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hook the positive terminal to the positive side of the battery, and then go ahead and hook the negative to the negative side. I'm not going to hook up the pump just yet because once I do, it's going to go ahead and activate the pump and start the fuel coming out. So we're going to leave this here right now, and now I'm going to come down and we're going to go ahead and hook up our fuel line and get ready to go. Okay, for the next step, what we need to do is locate the fuel line that goes in between the gas tank and the throttle body. Once you find that, you're going to find this clip that separates the two of them. Go ahead and push that and separate the two fuel lines. Once they're separated, go ahead and grab your fuel transfer kit hose, and we are going to attach this end of the hose to the top portion of this fuel line that goes to the fuel pump. And just connect them just like that. Until you hear them click, then you know you got a solid engagement. Take the other end of your hose and go ahead and put it into your fuel tank where you're going to be draining your gas from. Once we do that, I'm going to move back up to the fuel pump where I'm going to hook it up to the battery, and we'll be able to drain all of our fuel out of this tank. Okay, so the final step, we're going to go ahead and hook the transfer kit harness up to our fuel pump so we can get this fuel out of this tank. What you want to do is go ahead and disconnect the harness from the fuel pump and get that out of the way. Take the transfer kit harness and go ahead and hook it up to this fuel pump. Now before I would do this, I'm just going to go ahead and double check to make sure that our line is still in our tank so it flows into the spare fuel tank. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in, and once we do, you should be able to hear the fuel pump run and you have fuel running out of your tank. Alright guys, so it's as easy as that with our new fuel transfer kit to get all this fuel out of your tank. Go get yours at NihiloConcepts.com, and thanks for watching.